JRMSweeps. Today we have what looks to be a fairly new looking lawnmower my sister-in-law brought over, and she said it's not running. So we're going to go through, we're going to make sure it has good gas, we're going to drain the gas, see if it has spark, put new fuel in it, check the oil, see if that fixes it. We're going to remove the air filter box. There we go. Now that we have access to the carburetor, we're actually going to drain the fuel line here. I'm going to detach it, lower the lawnmower, detach it from the carburetor, drain that old gas out. We'll check the oil, put the spark plug wire back on, give it a crank and see if that fixes it. All right, we're going to remove the spark plug. I've already got it loosened. Plug looks like it's in pretty good shape. Lawnmower on flat ground. We're going to go ahead and check the oil. It's got a little bit of oil in there. We are ready to disconnect the fuel line that goes to the carburetor. Got the line disconnected. We're just going to drain this into an old gas can. The carburetor, all you have to do is just pull this straight forward here. Move the bowl here of the carburetor. Okay, it looks fairly clean, to be honest with you. Everything looks like it's good. I'm going to remove the float and the needle here. Okay, we're ready to install the carburetor. We're going to start with the throttle linkage. Don't forget about your piece here. There we go, it slides right on. Go ahead and hook up the fuel line to the carburetor. Okay, we cleaned the carburetor, put fresh gas in there, check the oil. We should be ready to go. Let's give it a shot. Thanks for watching.